right? How's that?
Five-star on-card auto. So you know that.
Andy? All right, what number do you want to go with?
23.
23. We're winding down here, guys. 23. What do we got for 23, Andy? What do we got here, pal? Oh, you know what I see? You know what I see? I see nothing. And you know what nothing means? Nothing means you just became a contestant on Let's Make a Trade. That's the golden ticket right there, Andy. Stick around.
Select the autograph. That's a good card. Yo, Neon, what up, bro? Pleasure to meet you.
Be careful wherever you roll. Alright, so guys, let me give you a quick round the world. Right here in the center court, that is our lead kiosk. I'm the roaming garbage man. I'll be here to pick up your garbage. With that said, if you want to check in at the kiosk, what we're going to do is we're going to make it super easy. All you have to do is scan that QR code and you're going to get a $25 Fanatic promo code. But you better get them quick. We're going to be running out of those. Now with that said, one Saturday station
What's up, bro? You alright? Aaron!
Father and son, I love
Can you say hi to my brother Joseph? Can you say hi to my brother Joseph? Joseph, what's going on?
Aiden, you the GOAT.
Right here, right here, right here.
Unfortunately, my last two first edition Pokemon boxes, which you know these boxes are like, they're going for $300,000. $300,000.
That much?
Yeah, it's insane. And like, if you don't pull the first edition Charizard, you're screwed. Like, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. Yeah. My last
famous and getting their 15 minutes of fame, and people think it's overnight, but a lot of times you just have to be there longer than everybody else is. So I wasn't a great wrestler in high school, walked on in Mizzou, had a 50-50 record, and then ended up becoming an All-American, and then now, world champion in fighting.
Looking back, do you think that there's a certain point where you're like, oh, this is becoming real? This is actually going to happen?
Yeah, I was very, very fortunate. I wrestled with Tyron Woodley and Ben Askren. So Tyron Woodley ended up becoming a UFC champion. Ben Askren ended up becoming a Bellator champion, fought the UFC, won champion. Right about my junior year.
But if I have the experience, you guys are worthy